Hey guys, what is going on? We're back in the shop again here today, Wennington Speed Motor, and I'm glad you're tuning in with us here today. It's been so long since I've given you guys an update on the Project 69 Camaro. So the last time we talked on this, I think we had the car setting with the rear differential on it, maybe even the front subframe. But this car come in as a roller. This car come in and the customer had requested putting a one-piece floor pan in it. I needed some toe boards, some firewall work. Also, it needed the one-piece trunk pan. And I'm getting a lot of comments on other places where I've been. I'm not going to say the place, but I've posted some other videos. But people are saying, how are you going to get that trunk pan, one-piece trunk pan, in that 69 Camaro without taking one of those quarter panels off? Well, let me tell you what. You stay tuned and you keep coming back here, watching our videos. I'm going to show you a magic trick. Yeah, I'm going to show you how you put that one-piece pan in the 69 Camaro without taking them quarter panels off. Because there's no reason to take these quarter panels off a 69 Camaro, because there's nothing wrong with them. So, all in all, this car come in the shop looking good, looking real good. But underneath everything, well, we found some things that didn't look so good. So, where we're at now, I showed a couple videos of the floors. We ended up putting the one-piece floor in here, cut everything out. Inner rockers look great. We do have the seat pan, or the seat brackets, base brackets setting in here. Getting ready to mount them in. But the floor pan is in, complete one piece. Amazing fit. AMD parts. Again, guys, I like using AMD stuff. Now, not everything we use here today and other days is AMD, but we use what is available. So we put the one-piece floor pan in there. We also used some replacement parts here. Put the new front subframe mount on both sides. I'm got the floor or the toe boards and the tunnel. Got that all back together. There's a bunch of things here that we're replacing that I'm probably missing or not covering. We did find that we tore the dash apart in here. We're going to replace this top dash piece, and lo and behold, sorry if I'm repeating myself, but if you look at the top of this dash, it needs an inner dash. Yeah, these are the things that you find, guys, whenever you start tearing into these cars. You know, it was built in 1969. I mean, what do you expect? These cars, people didn't have the, how do you say it? They didn't have the garage space or the option to park them in a garage or a whatever, lean-to like they would have liked to have done. But with that said, these cars, they do rust. But the cool thing is people do fix them. There's many different ways to fix them. There is a right way and there is a wrong way. A lot of people try to fix them the right way, but sometimes they shortcut it to the wrong way. But it gets the job done. So with that said, then it comes to guys like us that we have the experience of tearing it apart and finding all this rust. So check out this window channel, front windshield channel. Yes, that comes from water laying in there on the urethane and causing it to rust out. Now, with that said, I've got a lot of comments, people saying, hey man, you got to put a roof on that car. You got to put a roof on the car. Yes, that is the correct way to do it, in my opinion and in other people's opinion. They do make kits. It's all about your budget and what you're capable of doing. This car does have some damage, like I just showed you here, across the front, on the passenger side. Also, in the back, there's a little bit. We have a little bit across the back. Now, that all can be fixed with channels like these. Let me pull these out of the box here. There's companies out here. I'll just go ahead and show you the name of this. That way, if you guys are working on a 69 Camaro or any kind of project car that might need these, check these guys out. They're not hateful in price, but what they do have is these replacement pieces that you put in your window channel. Now, with that said, a lot of people say, no, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, because you're going to warp the crap out of the roof. So it goes in there like that. It's a two-piece across the front, and then they make one down each side. So again, people are saying, don't do that. You're going to warp the roof. You're going to, listen, I understand that. I know that. I've warped roofs. I've warped other things. It's about taking the time. It's kind of like cooking with charcoal, you know. You just don't be in a rush. You're not cooking with gas here. You're cooking with charcoal. So with that said, yes, this should have a roof skin put on it the correct way. We would come along here, knock this off right up across here. Very minimal body work. You'd have body work here, here, and of course a little bit in the trough or in the track area there where the window lays here, and then of course up along the channel or drip rail, whatever you want to call it. So we're not doing that. We're going to patch these up along the window. Or up along there, we're going to put little patch panels in there that are manufactured by another company that I showed you. Also, it is getting a rear panel between the glass and the trunk lid, and it needs done. It needs done. It's seen its better days. It's got some rot. I'm not going to tear it all out here, but that's another panel we're going to be putting in here. Now, we have moved forward. Like I said, we got the floor pans in, toe boards in, the tunnel's done. We're actually right now currently working on the rear subframe rails. And these Camaros, oh my golly, you know how they are. These rear subframe rails right here, yeah, they usually rot out. A lot of times, nobody wants to mess with them. And, you know, you can find a beautiful car and it's got the frame rails rot out and nobody wants it. So I'm your guy. I can fix those. So come see me. Hit me up. So anyhow, with that said, I've got to be careful saying that because I'll probably have 10 million of you guys getting a hold of me saying, I need my car done. So I'm only one guy right now. So with that said, we're moving forward with the 69 Camaro. We're making great progress. The customer's really happy. He's pumped. His paint guy's already calling him saying, hey, where's your car? I'm ready for your car. Well, here we are. We're coming up on the end of January. Hopefully, if all goes well, we're going to have his car out of here by the end of February. That's the plan. So, again, everybody's saying, how are you going to do that one-piece trunk pan? How are you going to do that one-piece trunk pan? Well, let me tell you what. I'm going to do it. I've said it in previous videos, if Moses can part the Red Sea, it can be done. And I'm going to be the one to do it. So, it's not really hard. If you look at this, I'm not going to tell you, but bye-bye. Take that out. Yeah, that's how you're getting it in there. So, no quarters are needed to be removed, especially whenever they're good. But if you take that rear body panel off, bam, you got it. We're going to do it. And I'm going to show you how it's done. And we're going to have fun doing it. So, guys, I really appreciate your support. I was on other channels posting stuff. I am new here on TikTok. I am putting some new videos out and new content. So tell your friends about us, you know, share our videos. If you have any questions or you'd like to see something more with the 69 Camaro, yeah, we even work on campers from time to time too. Check that out. So, but with that said, we get into a little bit of everything. And I, again, appreciate you guys' support, tuning in, checking out our videos. And I'll keep you posted on what we're doing and how everything's going. And keep in mind, we do still have Controlled Chaos. If you haven't seen those videos, Controlled Chaos, the shop car, the 55 Chevy. We're getting ready to tear it up again. We took 2024 out with a bang. Yes, we did. But we have a new engine right now being put together. We're going to be putting that down in Controlled Chaos. And before you know it, we're going to be back on the streets tearing it up again and making some great videos for you guys to enjoy. So, again, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Smash that button. Just smash that for me, please. Anyhow, no. So, with that said, guys, have yourself a wonderful day. And until next time, we'll talk to you later. See ya.